If you're connecting a probe to your tablet for the first time, the probe will flash blue when it is first powered up. This indicates that the probe is waiting for a Bluetooth connection. So on your tablet, go to Bluetooth Connections and pair the probe with your tablet. The Bluetooth SSID will be the serial number of the probe, which is stamped on the Boretrak's metalwork. In this case, it's 193634. Once the pairing is complete, you can go to Carlson Boretrak software and start a new project. Give the project your name, and the software will then automatically search for the probe that you've paired with, and it will connect with the probe automatically. On connection, if no hole coordinates have been imported or set up, hole 1 is automatically created with arbitrary coordinates. You can edit these coordinates or accept the default values. Real coordinates can be imported or edited at a later stage if required.